Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle an interesting problem. Imagine you are working on a C++ project and wondering about the best practice for using the return value auto. Should you keep it or not? Well, fret not as we delve deeper into this dilemma. Now let's focus on the solution to our problem. The code snippet provided showcases the utilization of constrained auto to specify the return type. By defining the concept range of, which ensures that the returned value is a range of my interface pointers, we can maintain clarity and expressiveness in our code. The data wrapper struct encapsulates the logic for retrieving data and transforming it accordingly, demonstrating the elegance of using constrained auto in modern C++. In summary, we've explored the use of constrained auto as a viable solution for specifying return types in modern C++. By implementing concepts like range of, we can enhance the readability and maintainability of our code. I hope you found this discussion helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Keep coding, and see you in the next video.